Welcome back. Look, I thought I wasn't gonna come back. I still got my wig on from ending my video for Amazement. I thought I wasn't gonna come back, but I did. And right now we are making spaghetti. And this is the spaghetti. Well, no, it's not. The noodles are in the sink. Why you make that face? But before I burn my onions, because I keep walking away. Malcolm, no, he should be changing his clothes.
Okay.
So he can go outside. Okay, add some garlic. I might add a little bit more. Okay, so I over salted my noodles. Didn't know it was possible, but I did it. And now I have to under salt my sauce, which it happens. I definitely can undersalt my sauce. I tend to not actually salt it enough. So, all right. So making sure nothing's burned at the bottom. I don't want to burn my garlic. That's when it's over. You want to do that here, or do this. So I'm just going to add in my tomato paste. Some tomato paste, little. My mom got it. It was easy. It's easy to use this tomato paste. I kind of used to love quite a bit. Sorry, I use quite a bit. I really love the taste, the robustness of the tomato paste. So, oh goodness, the kids. Let me turn up the heat a little bit more. Huh?
I
already watered it. Yeah, I watered it. But I'm just going to go ahead and mix in the paste so that it can caramelize with the onions. I also have to fill up a pot for noodles. Hi. It's on this. It's not on you guys. Oh, thanks. My little cameraman had to adjust over here. My little camera girl. That's nice. Have fun. And stay onion powder to my heart's content. Vegetable. No salt. McCormick. I'll either use this or Tabitha's all-purpose. No salt. Then some garlic powder. Of course, I already put in garlic, but I always put in garlic. You'll never have too much. Pepper. Oh, nope. I'm using McCormick because ain't nobody got time for that. Or too much pepper to be using that thing. That's for like salads. I'm just kidding. Then don't do that. Once I put in the sauce, I'll put in the bouillon. And I'll put in a bit more Worcestershire. Sorry. I would just say lean. What do they say? I just heard some people just say Lee and parents. I feel like I'm missing something. Oh, an Italian seasoning goes in the sauce as well. I don't add peppers. The kids don't like peppers. The meat is cooking, almost done. And then I'm adding my sauce. Oh, let me add in the seasoning sauce. Oh, what? Flavorless. Like, even though I salted the noodles, I still need to salt the meat a little bit because it gets lost in the sauce. So you drained our meat, and now you're gonna put in the sauce. I just use regular store brand Harris Teeter's jarred sauce. I just go for anything that has the least amount of ingredients. I like this one. The ingredients make sense to me, so add that. All right, add some water or beef stock, however you do it. Water works just fine for me. And just shake it up and put it in. Last time I made my sauce a little too thick. I mean, I don't think anybody was complaining, but to me it was thicker than I normally do. Yeah. Or I'll use canned, just like a regular canned tomato sauce. like regular canned tomato sauce. Oops, my phone's overheating. Okay, my recording's still going, but the light adjusted because the flash adjusted because my phone's overheating. I need to give it a break. I'm gonna go ahead and give my phone a few minutes, and then, well, all I'm gonna do in the meantime is pour this in here, add some more, stir it up, and then come back with you with the cornbread. All right, it stopped overheating, or I put it in front of the fan. I'm gonna go ahead and make this 2 boxes, followed by I follow directions on the box. I just found out that the honey version, it says honey at the top, it is actually not made with lard, so I could buy it. I don't know why I'm afraid to. But I can buy it. It's made with the same type of ingredients as this one, because instead of using lard in the vegetarian and the honey, they use vegetable shortening instead. Anyway, just thought that was a fun fact. Oh, I add butter. My bad. I don't follow the recipe. I add melted butter to mine. Except I don't put it in the bowl with it. I mix it, swirl it in the cornbread in there. I've never did cornbread with actual corn. I want to one day. I've watched someone do it. I hope I have enough milk. I need, I think 2/3 a cup total. Yeah, 2/3 total for both boxes. And then 2 eggs as well. All right, so I don't know why this is over here. Let's see if the milk adds up to 2/3 of a cup. It might just hit it. Oh, it does. Yeah, I have 2/3 of a cup. Okay. All right, 2 eggs. These are large. They feel tiny. Why do they feel so? Maybe that's no. Maybe I'm tripping. And then we're gonna mix it up. That was the neighbor's kid outside. I was like, who's that? Going by the house. It's the neighbor's. This works. I was gonna do a whisk, but I don't know. My mind changed. And I guess you can do whatever you like to this. Some people, I think, add sugar. I think the mix itself is sweet enough. It uses sugar in this. Yeah, it uses sugar. So, to me, it's good enough. Again, I have never got a complaint about my cornbread. Well, my box cornbread. It's not homemade. I have made homemade cornbread. It's been a long time. I used to bake cakes and cookies and try new recipes out. My cookbooks my mom would get me. I used to bake a lot, especially in middle school and high school. I was the baking bug. Couldn't tell me. And I also sold some of the stuff I baked. I was in high school. I would sell my baked goods. And all right, that's done. I just need to, oh, my camera's in the front of my cabinet that has, I'm looking for cooking spray. So just get some cooking spray. I think I have baking cooking spray. I do, look at that, in the back. Baking cooking spray. Honestly, it don't really matter. You can use either or. And I'm not even using a tin tray, so I don't care. It says baking on it, so why not? And look at all these bouillons. This herb one, Italian herb, I haven't seen, but my mom had got this one, and I had got onion base, I think. She had a vegetable. That's a pho. My brother found a organic beef pho base at Costco. We haven't opened it. Don't know how it tastes. Oh, and that's our beef and turkey spam. Specifically beef and turkey. All right, back to the actual bowl. Oh no, that's just better. It does matter. It sprays a lot better than that other one, at least for baking something. Okay. So how I do it is just like this. Put it in, and don't worry, my hands are clean. I'll wipe them on there. And then I just like to pour it and mix it in like that. No rhyme, no reason, just mix. I don't want it near the edges because I don't want the butter to burn. It's basically you mixing it in the whole thing, but you know, leave a little bit on the, you know, the top of stuff. It's gonna get it all brown and nice. Watch it not get brown. Watch I mess it up because I ain't do this in like, whew, never mind. I shouldn't have thought about it. It's been a while. A while. That's how it's supposed to look. And then we go inside the oven for the 15 to 20 minutes. By then my sauce should be done. Let me go ahead and move you to the oven area. Is that rack on the right shelf? It says middle. Or nah. It says nothing. So let's just put it in the middle. We're baking, so put it in the middle. All right, put the timer for, I'll start it off with 15 and check on it in 15. All right, now we're good. Now this is noodles for the little boy. The young one doesn't eat spaghetti. He says, no, do not give me that spaghetti. How dare you come near me with that sauce? I rebuke thee. I like my sauce cheesy with macaroni noodles from Bojangles specifically, because if Auntie makes it, it's no good, no good. It's okay, because everybody else ate all of that macaroni that you saw with the macaroni gone. It was like a day. So I'm happy. I thought I messed it up for real. But if we even reheat it better. I almost used all these noodles like a crazy person. I'm gonna try not to, don't look at the messy counter. I'm really trying to keep it clean or clear. I need to put a couple things back up in the medicine cabinet. Ooh, my mom went to Buc-ee's on the way back up from Charleston on her vacation and got this. I love jerky. That's lemon pepper with steakhouse and Bohemian garlic. It looks good. Oh, and of course the Buc-ee nuggets. They're good. They're sweet. And I tried the pulled brisket sandwich. Oh God, that was good. Even though it was the next day, still it's good. I'm gonna say everything's good. So salad. I'm gonna put all of my salad pieces in here because I don't have one salad container for that. And I'm just using everything that needs to be used up in the refrigerator. Let's cut our lettuce. Promise I don't cut like that. I would have turned it around, but I don't feel like it. Put it in my bowl. That can, oh, only a minute left on the cornbread before I check it. Put that in a bowl. I don't think anybody wants that hard part at the bottom. Yeah, as you can see, these lettuces are about gone. Go ahead and get them cut up. I don't like the thick pieces. They're so thick. Sorry if I'm triggering people. Do apologize of my cutting skills. It's called hurry up because I'm making a couple things at one time. So let's take a break from that. And I'll be right 1 second. This to see if it's done. It looks like it. It looks like it. No, it's not. That it misled me. It's not done. It needs another 5 to 10 minutes. I'll put it 8 minutes and check it at 8. Okie dokes. I also have beets I'm gonna put in because I really want beets. These are olives that were already left over from the last salad I made. Cut up this half of tomato, and then I'm gonna cut up some. It's so good. I have to see if it's not too slimy. It looks slimy. We'll see. The green onion, and then I'm stealing one of my mom's carrots. She was gonna make roasted carrots. Ew. So I'm taking one. But I don't know if I'll take the purple one or the orange. There's only one orange, so I'll take a purple. I told her these carrots need to be raw. I don't care how y'all take that, how it sounds. I don't care. I like my carrots raw. They're my favorite. Like just like this. I told them call me Bugs Bunny because I eat carrots just like that. Once you cook them, I don't want it. It's trash. I'm sorry if I'm insulting somebody's favorite food. I made a mess. Look at this mess. I made this mess and then I made the mess over here. Let's just add. Nope, just throw it away. Let's be smart about it. That wasn't stable. That's how it looks. So we're just gonna, nope, take some of that out. I don't care if y'all see this. I told you it was stuff we needed to get out the fridge. And it's fine. It's still crunchy. I'm going to rinse it off though. So rinse this off and then I'm going to spin the water out. Another Tupperware. So I'm going to spin the water out and then finish chopping up the rest of this. Be right back. All right, we're going to check to see if it's done. Well, it would be my luck to put it right in butter. That was smooth. I think putting it right here was putting it right in that butter that I put in. I'm gonna do one more. Yep, that's clean to me. That's out. Oven's off. The sauce is pretty much done. I just need to taste it and make sure. Oh, shoot. 1 second. Nope. There we are. It's boiled enough. I'm gonna turn it all the way to low because I have to first taste it, make sure it doesn't need anything else. So that's done, and then I'm gonna go ahead and get the water out of the lettuce, chop up the rest of these off camera. Okay, I am back and pretty much done. I just have to empty this out. We got water on the floor, that's the only reason it's there. The lettuce is gonna have to go right here real quick. Then you just drain out the water that comes out of the thing. You put it in the bowl. I just set it back in there. Purple carrot and green onion. I'm gonna get the croutons out and show you the plate. Okay, I'm dishing up my daughter's dish. I'm not gonna eat right now because I have to do a couple things. So y'all are just gonna see her plate again, just like her other plate the other night. Yes, I'm sorry, it's a crime. I separate my noodles and my sauce. I don't like them together. My mom does. She thinks I'm crazy. I'm like, I didn't know you liked it together. I mean, that makes sense, you know, sauteing and pan together. That's the proper way to eat. Oh my God, I forgot Parmesan again. It's not gonna look pretty. I'm sorry. And then the cornbread. It doesn't look pretty like my last one, but and then salad. I'm gonna put her salad pieces, salad bits over here. Oh, she does like Caesar. Should I put it in the bowl? Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. And my beets. She likes carrots, so I'll give her some purple carrot. It's the purple carrot. Oh, bro, what be calling right now? Uno minuto. Sorry this doesn't look pretty, but I promise you it tastes good and we have good reviews over there. So, spaghetti, meat sauce, lettuce, salad, and cornbread. I'm about to put the lid back on the sauce. Cover up this with some foil and cover up my noodles over there. And then all the salady bits.
No, well,